Your kitchen will smell irresistible at this point. You will hear a delectable sizzle. You're gonna take that garlic-infused oil while it is still piping hot and drizzle it over that ginger on the fish, and that hot oil is gonna wake up that spicy, pungent fragrance of the ginger. The final step of this recipe is what makes it so rich. This is what I call small batch sophistication. The type of 15-minute healthy dinner recipe that is low effort enough for a weeknight meal, but could also easily be placed on a formal dinner menu. We like to host just a few friends at a time, and we love treating our friends with good food. The prep is minimal, which is why I see this as something being simple enough to actually spend time with your guest while cooking. Sliced ginger, green onions, and garlic. The salmon is pretty straightforward. It's just seared in a pan on both sides. You set it aside. I have a more thorough demo for that cooking technique in the All About Salmon video. So the garlic is gonna get lightly browned in the oil, and the point being, we're infusing that garlic flavor into the oil. We aren't trying to really fry the garlic golden more than browned. Plate the rice, then the fish. Now the ginger and the green onions need to already be sliced and ready to go. You're gonna take that garlic infused oil while it is still piping hot and drizzle it over that ginger on the fish. You're gonna drizzle a little soy sauce and sesame oil, which by the way, all of these should already be in your pantry as part of your staples. They add depth without adding cooking steps. Toasted sesame oil, regular sesame oil, soy sauce. We want something better than takeout, but not so fussy that it's a whole project, but also something that's still pretty enough that we're gonna plate artfully and then take a photo and post it on Instagram. Small batch sophistication, low lift luxury. These are the things that I love about food. And this is the way that I use food to connect with people. Can you see yourself whipping this up on a weeknight or even serving it to some friends? And if you're gonna serve it, tell me your whole menu. I'm Jenna, and if that sounds like you, subscribe to the channel and say hello. Welcome aboard.